be showing you how to use the while loop and the do until loop in Visual Basic 2008. First, start up Visual Studio or Visual Basic, and under File, click New Project. Then, under Windows, click Windows Forms Application, and rename it to anything you want. In this case, I'll be naming it Loops Visually Basic. And then hit Enter or click OK. It'll load you with the default form. Drag this to however big you want it. Then, under the toolbox, find the option that says Text Box. Drag this to the corner and stretch it out across the screen. Then, click it, and under Properties, look for Multi-Line. Set this to True. Then, drag it out to be about the whole page except for a little area at the bottom. Then, under Toolbox, find Button. Put this at the bottom left, and then drag it out. Now we have to rename Button 1 and Form 1 to be whatever we want. First, click Button 1, and under Properties, look for Text, and replace Button 1 with Run the Program. Then click any empty space, which will click the form, and under Properties, Text, call it My Loop. Now, double-click the Run the Program button. First, I will be explaining the while loop. So first, we will dim our variables. So, dim number as double. That should be put right under public class form 1. Now we say while number is less than 10, do something. In this case, we will be typing number is equal to number plus 1, and right under that, text box 1 dot append text, and then in parentheses, number ampersand VBCRLF, and then end parent. The VBCRLF will basically make it move one line down on the text box. Since we've set it to multi-line, it can do that. And the number is the number, obviously. The ampersand is used to separate variables. So now we run it by clicking the debug arrow at the top, the green debug arrow, and then when we click Run the Program, it'll print out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all on different lines in the text box. Yes, that is how you create a simple while loop in Visual Basic. Now, to do the do until loop, we simply replace while with do until, and then put parentheses over number is less than 10. Then replace number is less than 10 to number is equal to 10. And then replace end while with loop. This will make it do this number is equal to number plus 1 in text box, do it until number is equal to 10. It's basically the same thing. So now click the green debug arrow and click Run the Program, and as you can see, it does the same thing. If you change, this works for both while and do until, if you change the number to, let's say, 50, it'll print out until 50. 50. You can change it to any number if you want to test it out. Or if you want to change the, let's say, number plus 5, it'll print it out lots faster, and it'll, see, 5, 10, 15, 20. So you can mess around with that. Yes, so this is a simple explanation of how to use the while loop and the do until loop in Visual Basic 2008.
For more tutorials or information about Visually Basic, please visit www.visuallybasic.com.